Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to log your meals in the MyFitnessPal food tracking app. So the first thing that we're going to do is press on this little plus icon on the middle, and then we're going to select whatever you want to track. So you can either log food by just looking it up, you can scan the barcode of whatever you just ate. If it's bought from a store, you can voice log, you can scan the meal, like just take a photo and it'll detect from that. You can do water, weight, exercise, and these are all of the options. So let's press log food, and here you can just find the food that you've just ate. For example, like just say a sandwich, just something random, and like a chicken sandwich, something like that, and just select the one that just like corresponds with whatever you ate the best. So you have different calories, you have different ingredients, just different stuff like that. So just find the sandwich that you want to add. You can select like when you have ate this, for example lunch, number of servings, serving size, and once you're done just press the check mark icon and that food will be logged for the day. And as you can see, if I go to my nutrition tracking tab, you can see that the calories have been tracked right here and here. You can see it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.